What does stress mean? Strong pressure. What does valuable mean? High worth. What does likely mean? Will probably happen. What does fragile mean? Easily broken. What does goal mean? Future target or aim. What does care mean? To look after someone. What does barrier mean? Something that blocks movement. What does unwilling mean? Not wanting to do something. What does brief mean? Lasting a short time. What does effective mean? Produces the intended result. What does outcome mean? The result or final effect. What does hopeful mean? Believing good things will happen. What does doubtful mean? Not sure about something. What does indicator mean? A sign or signal. What does accurate mean? Exact and correct. What does necessary mean? Must have or must do. What does interested mean? Wanting to know or learn more. What does pause mean? To stop for a short time. What does regular mean? Happening often and on time. What does abandon mean? To leave something or someone forever. What does sharing mean? Giving parts of something to others. What does self-reliant mean? Able to depend on oneself. What does theory mean? An idea used to explain something. What does pity mean? Feeling sorry for someone's bad luck. What does main focus mean? The most important topic. What does strange mean? Unusual or very weird. What does steady mean? Not shaking or changing. What does near mean? Close to something. What does vague mean? Not clear or specific. What does cheerful mean? Happy and optimistic.
How many questions did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Keep your brain active and check out our next quiz video right now.